Hey everyone, got a Nissan Titan '07 model right here. I'm going to show you how to fix a broken shifter whenever they put it into gear. It doesn't do anything. It basically stays in park. And on this one, it's a console shift, not a column. It's really easy to fix. Just unscrew your shift knob, turn your ignition key on to the run position, put your e-brake on so that you can press the brake pedal and put this back into neutral. Once that goes back into neutral, turn the key back off so that you don't have the ignition on, but come right here, pull up on the center console. You don't have to grab a hold of it. Go straight up like that. Get all four corners up. Slide the console out of the way, and you'll look right down in here. Your shifter is right here. See how that shift cable is not touching? See how it's moving right there? It's because the bushing broke out of the shift cable right here. You can see all the little pieces down in there. Okay, so right here, this is the rod that's sticking out, and that's your shifter lever whenever you move the actual shifter. So you basically just got to get a bushing and put it in there. Now some shops will tell you that you have to replace the whole shift linkage, but you don't. You can just go to the part store and get you this part right here, 14103. It'll come with all these little bushings right here. If you use the smaller one right here, that will fit directly over the shaft. Okay, so you might want to put a little bit of lube on the new bushing just to get it to go in a little bit easier, but be careful because the new bushing is going to be really slick. I'm going to go ahead and remove this clip right here just to give me a little bit more room. Get it up out of the hole. We have a little bit more working room with it. So it's not down there by it, but I'm going to put this bushing in here. Then I'm going to use a pair of pliers to push the new bushing in. Okay, hopefully you're able to see that. Now you can see the new bushing on both sides. Then that's a whole lot easier to go ahead and take the clip out and pulling it up than trying to put it on down there. So now just push your cable back down. Get that where it needs to go. Put your clip back in. Alright, so now the clip is back in. And then just line up where the bushing is supposed to be at and slide it over and lock it in. So now just turn your ignition key back on and hold the brake, and you can see that now your shifter is working again. Now go ahead and just reverse process, put everything back together, and once you put it in neutral, you'll be able to slide the console back on, and you just reverse process, put it all back together. Just take your time and slide it back into position right there. Once it gets down there, just push on the top, downward, on the back, downward, and it's back together. Now take your shift knob, put it back on. And there you go. Now you just fixed your shifter linkage problem and your Nissan Titan. Anyways, I hope this video helped someone out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me. Like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, this is what you consider a console shift, not a column shift. If you had a shifter up here, it'd be basically the same problem. You would just have to go in underneath your steering column and fix it. But with this one being a console shift, this is how you fix it. But anyways, thanks for watching again, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.